Denise from Skinego here. How you doing? Hope everything is good and you're happy and life is okay. At least okay. All right, so yeah, I got a package that I was really excited. It is from Aesthetics Plus in Edmonton, and it is a new tool, I guess is probably the better term. But I say toy because it's fun. If I could ever get in. Oh my God! Yes! So this is the Sonic Scrubber Ultrasonic Spatula. You might have heard those terms. AC adapter, so that's good. A little quick start guide. I mean, I understand how these work. So here's the bag that it comes in. La 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 la. Oh my gosh, more packaging. I mean, of course, but okay. So we've got some instructions. We've got a cord. Boom, boom. And there's my new baby. Caution. So this is the spatula edge, and how this, the purpose of this tool, there are three purposes. The one that it's most known for and is super awesome is you are actually able to remove sebum, oil, blemishes, blackheads from the nose. It's amazing for that. You can also, by changing the setting on it, you can help penetrate products deeper into your skin, which is amazing too, right? Get more benefits out of it. And then the other one that's my favorite is it can actually give a little stimulation to the skin and tissue. Particularly for me, it's always my eyes or around here, and it will give you like an immediate tightening, lifting effect. Oh, so I'm not gonna lie, I thought it would be a little bit flashier, but I'm not disappointed. I'm super, super happy, and I can't wait to use this on you.